NVAX 2373, a recombinant protein nanoparticle COVID-19 vaccine with matrix M, TM, adjuvant, has been granted a second emergency use listing by the World Health Organization, WHO, for the prevention of COVID-19 caused by SARS-CoV-2. This new vaccine is expected to provide significant protection against the virus and is expected to be available in the near future. The AUL pertains to vaccine to be marketed by Novavax as Nuvaxovid, TM, COVID-19 vaccine, SARS-CoV-2 rupees, recombinant, adjuvanted, in Europe and other markets. NVAX 2373 is also being manufactured and marketed in India and licensed territories by Serum Institute of India Private Limited. SII, as Covavax, TM, which was granted AUL on December 17. With data on safety and efficacy against several variants, strong potential in booster regimens, and standard storage temperatures, Nuvaxovid will provide countries with another critical option in the quest to help protect against COVID-19 variants.